If you build iOS apps, you know how painful signing can be. Xcode builds certificates profiles. It takes forever. Let me show you a faster, simpler way to sign IPA files online right inside your browser. This is a browser-based signing tool. Number Mac, no Xcode required. It's all done right here in your browser. First, select your IPA file, the one you want to sign. Then choose your P12 certificate and enter its password to unlock it. After that, pick the mobile provisioning profile that matches your app ID. Once you click Sign Now, the tool processes your files and creates a fully signed IPA ready for download. You'll see the progress bar moving, and once it's done, you'll get a brand new ready to install IPA. The entire process uses your own Apple developer certificate, keeping everything fully secure. Now once it's finished, your signed file is ready for download. You can share it directly with testers, clients, or teammates, no waiting on TestFlight reviews. That's how simple it is. Sign, download, and distribute your iOS app in just a few minutes. It's fast, private, and made for developers who want control. Want more iOS dev tools and workflow tips? Stick around and subscribe for the next one. See you in the next one.